Hello, everyone from all around the world. Good morning to you who are here in the Philippines and to nearby countries. And to those who aren't, good afternoon and good evening. Today, please allow me to read what I'm going to say to you from my phone. So, from time to time, please forgive me if I look down and read. I was given this chance and opportunity to give a short testimony of my life here in SDALC. Because I am known to be the longest staying employee. But wait, there's more. It's not me, it's actually Sir Ariel Pastrana. He is also currently working here. But nevertheless, I gladly accepted the part. Let me start with the day I set foot on this campus. I remembered that I was totally amazed of this place. It was beautiful. Our English training started, and I could recall that it felt very weird to speak English most of the time. But then it eventually sank into me to speak the language. I'm sure that all of you watching right now have your own share of your training experience, and I'm certain that it was informative and fun meeting new people from around the Philippines. One of the most fun experience we had was not knowing how to operate an automatic washing machine. Little did we know that you only had to press start and it will work on its own. Most of the food served were also new to my taste. After a few months of working in SDALC, I have experienced growth. Growth not only in speaking English, but growth also in how to work with other people and how to handle students with diverse cultures. There were ups and downs during my stay here as a teacher. I remembered crawling out in the balcony of our room to cry because of a complaint from a student or because of a complaint from another teacher. It was actually tough, but you just wipe away the tears because you have another man to man class or another group class to attend to. You just wipe the tears and just learn to be better. I've learned to be more patient, caring, and sensitive to others' needs and be very flexible in this job. In here, and I'm sure you can relate to this, with all the activities of each program or each department, you are an actor, a singer, an instrumentalist, a dancer, a nanny, a teacher, a comedian, an event organizer, a scriptwriter, a member, a follower, a leader, a speaker, and so on and so forth. You need to be very flexible. You also need to learn how to work under pressure. You do things that you could not imagine doing before. And it's an amazing journey. This is also the place where your passion in serving others, and most of all in serving the Lord, matures and progress. With all that said, it simply means that you, previous workers and teachers, and us who are still currently working here, with God's grace, agree that this place was and is our stepping stone to what, to who, and to where we are right now. I have no concrete reason why I still choose to stay in SDALC, but maybe, and only maybe, there is more for me to learn and uncover about myself in this place. I also have other plans that are put on hold right now, but I leave it all to God. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all our previous and current directors for hiring us and to experience SDALC life. And thank you also to our mentors, our trainers who have trained us in our English training, and to our ates and kuyas who, in simple ways, we have shared some stories together when we walk past by the hallways. And of course, to our coordinators and fellow co-workers. It is not as fun as it is if you weren't there. So thank you so much for this chance and opportunity, and God bless everyone.